Hello, my name is Chris Scarlett of Enterprise Design and Innovations, Central Washington University, and leader of the Yakima, Washington SolidWorks Users Group. I'd like to provide a quick preview of my upcoming SolidWorks World session where I will demonstrate a technique I've developed using basic SolidWorks tools that allows you to design a bolted structure that is quick to set up, quick to make modifications to, and very stable. This method uses non-axially symmetric weldment structural members, referencing a design sketch frame or skeleton that are stacked instead of the usual application where they are connected, trimmed, and welded. Using reference geometry sketch blocks, the terminations of the structural members are well defined, including coordinated bolt hole locations. This coordination results in a model that will automatically update when the design sketch frame or when body-specific dimensions change, and all the related solid bodies update too, quick and easy. Sketch geometry is visible and easily selectable in the modeling area, making it easy to confirm member size, and you can make modifications in seconds. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create a design sketch frame or sketch skeleton, how to create reference geometry sketch blocks, how to insert these blocks into your model referencing the design sketch and to control how the weldment structural members come together, and then create some coordinated bolt hole locations, and then we're going to take the whole thing and just try to break it to demonstrate how stable the model is. This technique may be considered design automation. What may have taken minutes, perhaps hours to design or modify portions of a model like this, now it could be accomplished in a matter of seconds, and with a model that's stable and error-free. So that's a preview of the SolidWorks World session, applying Weldment Tools for a bolted structure. This is Chris Scarlett, and I hope you will join me in this session, which will follow the general session on Monday at 10:30 in room 151 at the Los Angeles Convention Center. Thank you.